know it might seem like the same thing, but each night it's something different. From the clouds to the air to the temperature, just everything. Everything you're doing, just different. I don't know if you can see the clouds, but they are beautiful tonight. That's why. Hope you don't mind sitting with me each night when I do this. I'm gonna clean the screen real quick. It's how nice and peaceful it is sitting outside. Hear the crickets and I just wish more people would enjoy this, you know. Wish you could see what I can see. You can see the clouds up in there. Just how nice and peaceful it is sitting out here. I mean, like I said before, this used to be mine and my dog that I used to have, my Sadie Jane. We used to come out here every evening before we'd go off to bed. So I'd let her out before we'd go, and she'd sit over in this area and just sit there and enjoy the quiet and the coolness and the evening. Sorry. I'm going to keep this tradition going. You just never know. Never know what you're going to hear or see. That's why I like doing it every night. It's just so peaceful out. Just sitting here. I'm not sure if there's a whole game tomorrow. Oh no, tomorrow's Thursday. That's right, my days are messed up. I work the weekend. Not too much going on. It's nice and quiet. Nice and quiet, nice and peaceful. Yep. Yeah, I'm only going to be out here another minute or so. 4 minutes is tops. I figure it's not too long, not too short. There's my son. Doing Pokemon. Couple more minutes, or a couple more seconds, I'll be done.